How do you tell a high-security facility from a hospital on a blank map instantly? Ditch generic pins and use visual subtyping to make them pop at a glance. MAPOG helps you build an institutional zone map from scratch, primarily by deploying custom icons, configuring smart marker properties, and tweaking text labels to add deep analytical value to your spatial data. First, navigate to story.mapog.com. Go to the Create and Publish Maps workspace, click Create New Map, and open a blank template. Give your project a title, add a short description, and upload your organization's logo in the settings to establish credibility. Then, simply use the search tool at the top to center the viewport directly over your target institutional zone. Now let's focus on the heart of the map, placing your data points. Navigate to the left sidebar and select the Annotations section. From the menu, open the Icons tool to launch MAPOG's comprehensive library of categorized symbols. Here, you will find professionally designed icon collections tailored for government facilities, residential areas, financial institutions, and recreational complexes. To drop a marker, simply scroll through these categories, select the symbol that matches your location type, and click directly onto your map canvas. For our first point, we are choosing a building icon and dropping it precisely onto our zone's main administrative building lot. While dropping a basic icon establishes a location, modifying individual marker properties is what adds true analytical depth. MAPOG gives you total control over icon color, size, and rotation. This unique feature allows you to segregate similar facilities into distinct subtypes without cluttering your layout with dozens of different symbols. For example, using a single, clean civic building icon, you can open its style properties and apply a red color fill for police stations to signal emergency infrastructure. You can then drop the exact same building icon on an adjacent parcel, but apply a blue color fill to designate it as a standard government office. By varying these colors, sizes, and rotations across your map, viewers can instantly distinguish between secure government centers, public recreation spaces, and cultural monuments using the markers alone. To provide immediate context to these custom icons, use the Annotation text tool to add quick, clear labels like Doll Museum or Police Headquarters. MAPOG lets you customize the font size, apply bold properties to major landmarks, and tweak label offsets to keep them neatly aligned with your icons. Even when using other styling tools, like sketching out quick boundary polygons or drawing simple color-coded shapes with labels to separate multiple gates of a single metro station, your custom markers remain the primary visual anchor of the data. Once your markers are positioned and your labels are styled, save your annotations to secure your progress. When you're ready to distribute the final map, go to Preview and Share. MAPOG offers flexible sharing configurations. You can share your map privately by adding authorized users as viewers or editors, or generate a public embed link to integrate this interactive asset directly into your website. In just a few streamlined steps, you can turn a blank canvas into an intelligent, beautifully styled geographic resource. If you need assistance with data uploads, spatial analysis, map creation, or professional GIS consultancy, reach out to the team anytime at support@mapog.com.